Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about PTE listening module, type of questions, and how to deal with these question types as well. Well, guys, before we start, let me tell you PTE is easier than IELTS. It's very simple, straightforward. So getting your desired score is quite easier as compared to IELTS. So as far as PTE is concerned, PTE listening is concerned, there are different question types that we have. First of all, the first question type is summarize spoken text. They will give you some spoken text. You have to listen to that text. You will have pen and paper to jot down some notes. And after that, you will have to summarize that spoken text. For example, there will be an audio of 1 minute. You will have to listen to the audio. You may jot down some important points. And after 1 minute, there will be a beep. And you got to start re-narrating or narrating that text in your own words. And you got to go on with that. So this is one of the question types. Second question type in PTE listening is multiple choice. There are multiple choice questions with multiple options and you have to select the correct options. Now sometimes they don't give you the limit. I mean, there is no limit that you have to select one option or two options. They say select as many options as they are correct. So you have to select all the correct options out of 5, and this is another multiple question type. For this, they play the audio. First, you listen to the audio carefully, and then after that, you decide, and they give you time for that as well. Then in PTE listening, we have a question type which is called fill in the blanks. There will be a spoken text, you will listen to the text and then there will be blanks within the text and you have to listen to the text. At the same time, you have to type the missing words, right? And these missing words are mainly nouns, adjectives, verbs and all that, okay? So this is the kind of dictation where 95% or 98% text is given, only 2 to 3% there are blanks and there is a gap between each blank, so you have enough time to type in your answer. Next, we have highlight correct summary. Now, they're going to give you a summary of the text and out of those summaries, you have to highlight the correct summary. First, you're going to listen to the text. Actually, this is listening. So you will listen to the text first and after listening to the text, there will be the summary. They'll give you a couple of options and from those options, you got to decide which option describes the audio or the transcript in the audio well, and you can select highlight correct summary. After that, we've got multiple choice and there you need to choose single answer. For multiple choice, when you have to choose single answer, there are usually 3 to 4 options and out of those options, you've got to select one option and you have to do it after listening to the text. And then select missing word. Like some words are missing and you have to select those words according to the audio in listening. Then highlight incorrect word. This is very interesting. I like it. I play it like games. Highlight incorrect words. There will be a text and you will move the cursor on the text whenever they pronounce a word in a different way or they will not mispronounce the word, they will change the word. So the word which is changed, you have to just click on that very word. So that is called highlight incorrect word. Then we've got write from dictation. There is a dictation and you've got to write from that dictation. That is another interesting question type. Now, have you noticed one thing? In PTE listening, they actually focus your skills only. And if you practice, all these things are going to become easier. There are certain question types or there are certain items, question items where you can use templates as well. For example, if you have to retell a lecture, for that you can use the template as well. So practice will make you perfect. Once you guys are going to practice, PTE will not become a problem for you. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much. I also teach PTE online and in campus in Lahore, online all over the world. If you wish to be the part of my online or in campus PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.